deep in the shadows. I know it's.
Hey sugars, I came back for a quick moment. I'm editing today's vlog and I realized that what was I about to say? I realized that it may have come across to you all that the recipe, it may come across to you all in this vlog that the recipe isn't good. The recipe is good. My mom likes it. I am not a healthy eater, as you all can probably tell, so it tastes different to me. It would not be a go-to snack, but it would be a great snack if I was doing great things for myself. But anyway, I hope you all enjoy the vlog. I'm just having fun doing this. And also I'm gonna link the recipe in the description box, and y'all give it a try. It was quick, simple, took a very few minutes, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and edit this vlog and get it up. Love you all. Hey sugars, it's me, Marina Zucker, Selena, and today for Veda, because today is, oh that's bad y'all, today is the 7th day of Veda. But I'm going to make the banana cookies that I talked about yesterday. If you watched the Veda from yesterday, you know what happened. I have never made this recipe before. My friend Jennifer posted this recipe on Facebook, and simply the name of it is Healthy Cookies. Let me show you the ingredients. Now I'm gonna make a double batch just because I got 6 bananas that are gonna go bad if I don't use them. So here we go. You have to use applesauce, pure vanilla. Well, it says vanilla. What does it say? It says vanilla. I say pure vanilla. Cinnamon, almond milk. I chose simply almond because the remainder of it going in my coffee and my cold coffee drinks. Oats, Lily's chocolate. I don't normally use dark chocolate. So the recipe said Lily's brand is my fave. So I decided they made the recipe. Let's try their fave. Bananas. These are organic bananas, so they're not as bad as they look. Y'all know organic bananas tend to brown on the outside a lot faster than the chemically processed. Well, they're not chemically processed, but y'all know what I mean. These ain't had no fertilizer on them. I think that's right. I have to ask my mama, but anyway, we're gonna go with that for now because it sounds good. Okay, let me see. What are all those things that you're supposed to say excuse that nobody probably even noticed until you said please excuse. Please excuse my hair. Please excuse the fact that I'm sweating. My hair is because I'm home, y'all. I live in the country. I ain't been nowhere all day other than my room, and I ain't going nowhere other than this kitchen. I am sweating because I am hot. The coolest place I think in the house is my room because I have a personal air conditioner in there. So the rest of the house gets hot to me, and I had my room door closed because well, it's more than just me, my mom, and my dad here now. And the door constantly opens and closes, and it doesn't make sense for me for that good old cold air out my room to come out here to cool things down, only to go out the door. So there you have that. So now, what I'm going to do, because I haven't prepped anything, I haven't measured anything, and I'm not going to do all that. Yeah, it's going to take too long to do all that on camera, and then I'm going to have to edit out stuff that I wouldn't even normally use. So what I'm gonna do is get some paper towel, wipe my face, rewash my hands, and then I'm gonna prep all this stuff up, and then I'll show you all how I mix it, and we're gonna put it in the oven for 350 for how long? 20 minutes. It says 15 to 20 minutes, so I'm just gonna say 20 minutes. So y'all, I will be back very shortly. Also, oh, I forgot, excuse the quality of the video if it's not the best, because I am videoing on my Samsung Tab S6 Lite. Samsung, I'm gonna need you to sponsor me. Let me stop, y'all. I'm just being silly. Y'all know what? I like these Vedas better than I do my other videos. Because my other videos, I don't feel like y'all really get to know the real me. And I'm a real fun person, very blunt. Can get an attitude in half a second and then be loving you again in the next half a second. So in 1 minute, I can go from one attitude to another attitude. But I'm always loving. And I get to show y'all this. I ain't got to be all formal. Well, I guess I never had to be formal, did I? I don't know. I guess I just done got used to y'all or something. You know. Maybe that's what it is. Plus, I found out only a few people watch my videos. And a few people that watch my videos, I do kind of know, oh, y'all look at this weird. Ridiculous. Okay, but yeah, y'all know I'm in North Florida, Madison, Florida to be exact. It was very humid outside. We've been having storms every day. And yeah. This year has been a year. Okay, but y'all, let me get busy because I'm already in the 4 minutes. I ain't gonna have no problem getting 8 minutes today. I'll be back, y'all. Hey, sugars, y'all, I had mixed up this mixture and I didn't even come back to show y'all. But this is what it looks like. Looks kind of soupy to me, but my mom say it's gonna bake all right. Y'all, my mama don't bake that much. I don't know why I asked her. But anyway, I'm panning them up. Let me finish putting them on the pan and I'm gonna come back and show y'all what it looks like. Hey, sugars. So, I'm at the end. Finished the cookies. This is what they look like when I pan them up. I already tasted one. Taste another one now that it's completely cool. Y'all, to me they wasn't giving what they're supposed to give, but they're not firm enough for me. I couldn't get them. See? They're like, I don't know, maybe I scooped them up too big or something. I don't know. But, yeah, I don't know. I might put them back in the oven. It's another pan still in the oven. It said 15 to 20 minutes. These did 15. These did 20. And they're the same. I think maybe they don't really get firm. I don't know. But the chocolate is good. The bananas are good. The pecans are good. I'm not even that crazy about pecans, but I have enough walnuts. My mom has some walnuts, but not enough. So, I don't know, maybe I should have put a little more oatmeal, even though I put what it said put. I don't know. It's just not my favorite thing, and maybe because I know it's healthy. So, and I'm used to eating cookies laden with sugar. But, I mean, if I was being real serious about being on a diet, then I think that would be a nice, good snack. But, y'all, that's it for today. I know I got at least 8 minutes today. I be trying, y'all, like, but it's hard. But anyway, y'all know what I always say. Be a blessing. Stay blessed. I love you.